Yes, now students, our next topic is multiplication. So, multiplication, what is a multiplication first? Multiplication means repeated addition. Repeated addition is called multiplication. So, so we learn addition, subtraction, and also previously we learn 1 to 50 numbers, and after that addition, and after that subtraction. So, we learn in first sem. So, next in second sem. So, next our topic is multiplication. So, the multiplication is nothing but the repeated addition. Repeated addition, whenever repeated addition is there, so then there we are multiplying, we are applying multiplication. We are applying multiplication. How? See here. See there how many ducks are there. So, in the first group how many ducks? Total 5 ducks are there. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ducks are there. In the second group, how many ducks are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ducks are there. In first group, 5 ducks are there. And in second group, 5 ducks were there. And after that, you count all how many ducks are there in third group. Total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 ducks were there. So, in first group, we have 5 ducks. In second group, we have 5 ducks. And the final total ducks, so total count how many ducks were there, total 10 ducks. So write 5 ducks in the first group, below first group, and below second group write 5 ducks, and after that 10 ducks. Then how to write in words? So 2 times 5. So what it 5s? It 5s means number of ducks. Number of ducks in each group. How many groups are there? 2 groups. Here number of groups. This first number represents how many groups were there, how many equal groups were there, that is here number of times, it shows how many groups are there. So that groups are equal number of ducks were there. So this shows equal number of groups. 2 groups were there. In each group how many ducks were there? 5 ducks were there. Then total 2 times 5. How to write in words? So we have to write 2 times 5 is 5. Total 10 ducks. So that is why is 10. Then mathematically, so how to represent? So this, so mathematically, so we write it as mathematically 2 groups into 5. 5 means number of ducks in each group. 2 5s are. Then how to read this? 2 5s are 10. Total how many ducks? 10 ducks. So this 10, this number represents number of ducks. How many ducks were there? So if we are adding total 2 groups, 5 and 5, then how many total ducks were there? That number of ducks. So that ducks, so we will get here. So this is called product. So this is repeated addition. 5 plus 5. Equal number of ducks we are adding. So that is why it is repeated addition. Yes, here 2 times 5 is 10. So how can we represent, how can we write in words? 2 times 5. 2 times 5 ducks is nothing but total 10 ducks. Total 10 ducks here. So in mathematically, so 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. So number of times we have to take first into, so this cross symbol is a multiplication symbol. So this is our multiplication symbol. How can we represent multiplication? So using this symbol. 2 into, how can we read it? 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So this number of times, 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 5 ducks. So which gives total 10 ducks, and mathematically how can we represent? 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. This cross symbol, it represents multiplication symbol. What is a multiplication? Multiplication means repeated addition. The same number we are going to repeat 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, more than 2 times. Then we can apply multiplication using multiplication symbol. How many times? We are multiplying the same number. So that we have to take like this. Number of times the same number repeats. The same number, whatever the number. then we have to find the product. So in multiplication, so we have to use mathematically like this. Okay, in our ducks case also, 2 times 5 group of ducks, 5 group of ducks were there, 5 group of ducks, 2 times we have 2 into 5 which gives 10. Then mathematically 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Okay, this cross symbol is a multiplication symbol. This cross symbol is a multiplication symbol. Multiplication means repeated addition. The same number repeated twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times means more than 2 times we can apply multiplication. How? Like this, using multiplication statements. Okay, now next question. So see here, how many pens were there? 2 pens, 2 pens, 2 pens. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 times we have. So in one group 2 pens, in another group 2 pens, in another group 2 pens. 2, 2, 2. Equal number of pens were there. Equal number of pens we are repeating here. Equal number of pens we are repeating here 3 times. Then it is nothing but we can use multiplication. What is a multiplication? Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Here the same number we are repeating thrice, 3 times. Number of pens, 2 pens, 2 pens and 2 pens. First we have to take 2 pens in first group plus repeated addition plus again same number of pens in second group plus again same number of pens in third group. In first group we have 2 pens, in second group we have 2 pens and third group we have 2 pens. Total in 3 groups we have 2 pens. Equal number of pens we have equal number of pens. Then equal number of pens means how to add 2 plus 2 plus 2. Then total how many pens were there? Total 6 pens. 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many pens were there? Total 6 pens. This is repeated addition. The same number repeated thrice. This is repeated addition. So repeated addition, what is our answer? 6. It means in words. Then how can you write in words? 3 twos. How many twos were there? 1, 2, 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. How many twos? 3 twos. 3 twos are 6. Then mathematically, how can we represent? Mathematically? See here. 3. How many groups? 3. 3. How many pens were there in each group? 2. Number of groups? Number of pens in each group. How many pens are there in each group? In each group we have 2 pens. So how many groups were there? 3. So then mathematical representation 3 into 2. How can we read? 3 into 2. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. You know 3 double? 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. 6 is our answer. Then so from here, so what answer we got here? Repeated addition 2 plus 2 plus 2. Repeated addition answer is 6. And in short, applying mathematically means multiplying. Then what answer we got here? 3 twos are 6. Both are same. Means whenever repeated addition is there, then we can apply multiplication. Then what is the symbol? This symbol, cross symbol. This symbol is a multiplication symbol. This is our multiplication symbol. Then how to read this one? 3 into 2 or 3 twos are 3 into 2 or 3 twos are 3 twos are 6 or 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Okay, so this is our repeated addition. So whenever the equal number of objects means animals or pens, pencils, sharpener, erasers in the picture, whatever is given in the picture, in each group if you have equal number of picture, first you add like this 2 plus 2 plus 2. Then check what is your answer. Then after that you have to write in words. 3 twos are 6. Then after that apply mathematically. So mathematically how to represent using multiplication symbol? 3 2s are 3 groups were there. In each group how many pens are there? 2 pens. 3 2s are 6. This is our answer. Okay. See children, here how many balls are there in each group? So 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Total 4 groups are there. How many groups are there? 4 groups are there. In 4 groups how many balls are there in each group? 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Total in 4 groups 2 balls are there in each group. How many balls are there? 2 balls are there. So in first group we have 2 balls. So we have to write 2 here. Then after that how many balls are there in second group? 2 balls were there. In third group how many balls were there? 2 balls were there. In fourth group how many balls were there? 2 balls were there. 2 balls were there. 2 2 2. In total 4 groups we have equal number of balls. Now you count all how many balls were there. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total how many balls were there? 8 balls were there. Right, 8 here. Okay, add here 2 plus 2 2 3 4, again 2 5 6 7 8. Total how many balls were there? 8 balls were there. How many balls were there? 8 balls were there. Then after adding 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, it means it is continuous addition, means repeated addition. Same number we are adding 4 times. So which number we are adding 4 times? 2 number 2 4s. 2 4. How much? 2 4 8. If we add 2 4 times, then how many total balls were there? 8 balls were there. That we have to fill like this. 2 4 balls is equal to total 8 balls. Okay. Now students, see here in the second question, caps were given. So see how many caps are there in each group? 1 2 1 2 1 2. 2 caps are there in each group. How many caps were there? 2 caps were there. So in each group we have equal number of caps. In first group how many caps were there? 1 2. In second group how many caps were there? 1 2. In third group how many caps were there? 1 2. Now you count how many caps were there all. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Total 6 caps. How many caps are there? Total 6 caps were there. If we add 2 plus 2 and plus 2, and what is our answer? 6. This is repeated addition. The same number of equal number of caps were there in each group. So it is repeated addition. When repeated addition is there, then we can apply multiplication. So in words, then how can we write in words? Then 2 3s. How many times are there these 2's? 1 2 3. It means 3 groups. 2 3s. How many 2's were there? 1 2 3. 3s. How many 2's? 2 3s. 2 3s. 2 3s. How much? 2 3s 6. Means 2 3s are. 2 3s are how much? 6. You know 2 table, no? 2 3s are. 2 3s are 6. Then in words, then how can you write? 2 3s. 2 3s makes 6. This is our answer. This is our repeated addition. Then it is in multiplication. Then how can we represent 2 3s? It makes 6. Okay. Now children, here next question. Write as multiplication. Here write as multiplication is given. See here. all you by heart till 10 tables. Okay, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table, 6 table, 7 table, 8, 9 and 10. These 10 table, so you should by heart, you should by heart without any error, without any error. Okay, then here continuous addition is given. Continuous addition in all these 6 problems, continuous addition is given. So what is there in first problem? See here, 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 and plus 7. 7 is added. 7 is added. How many times here 7 is adding? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is added 7 times. Then how can we represent as a multiplication? 7. This 7 is added 7 times, means into 7. 7 is added 7 times. So this 7, so this 7 is added 7 times. So which gives 7 sevens are, 7 sevens are how much? 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. So otherwise 7 sevens are, write just multiplication. No need to write your answer because see you don't know 7 table, no? So you by heart 7 table first. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10 all tables. Okay. Now then how to represent? Just I am showing how to represent as a multiplication. Only representation is enough. No need answer. Okay, only representation. How to represent? Okay, as multiplication. 8 plus 8. It is also repeated addition. Repeated addition. When repeated addition is there, then how to represent as a multiplication? 8. Here 8 is there. 8 how many times multiplied here? How many times we are adding? Not multiplying. How many times we are adding? 8 we are adding 2 times. 1 and 2. So that number of times we have to write. 8 we are adding 2 times. So 8 into 2. So we have to represent like 8 into 2. It means 8 is adding 2 times. Adding 2 times. In the same way, here 1. First 1 is there. First you have to write 1 into. Then how many times you are adding? Count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times we are adding. 1 into 9. This is the representation. Continuous addition. So in this way we have to represent as multiplication. Now, so what is the number here? 4 is a number. Then you take 4 into first. Then now you count how many times we are adding here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Number of times we have to write here. 5 times. Okay. Now, what is the number here? 5. Take first 5. 5 into. Then how many times? How many times we are adding here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times we are adding. 5 into 6. 5 into 6. The same way, what is the number here again? Again 7 is given. 7 into. Then how many times we are adding here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the textbook it is given one more time. One more time. Plus one more time. 7. Now you count how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times we are adding. So 7 into 8. In this way we have to represent if continuous addition is given. So whatever the number we are adding, first we have to take that number into. How many times we are adding? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we write number of times. Given number into number of times. Whatever the number we are adding, that number into number of times. How many times we are adding, that we have to write. Okay. So in this way, if continuous addition is given, so we have to represent as multiplication in this way. Okay. Next here given, students see here, write as addition. Write as addition. Multiplication in multiplication form, he has given in multiplication form, so we have to write in addition form. We have to write in addition form. Then how to write? 2. 2 is there, 2 into 8, 2 into 8. So it means, so we have to add this to 8 times. How many times? 8 times. Then 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Once you check how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 times. This is 8. So we have to add this to 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 5 into 3. It means 5 we have to add 5 3 times. How many times? 3 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5. 3 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5. 4. 4 into 6. It means 4. Here 4 we have to add 6 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Now you check how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. So 4 into 6 means 4 we have to add 6 times. Now 7 into 6. 7 into, it is into, multiplication sign. Then 7 we have to add 6 times. That is 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Now you check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 8 into 7. 8 7 times. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Now we check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. 8 into 7. Then 4 into 5. 4 into 5 means 4 we have to add how many times? 5 times. We have to add 5 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many times? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. 4, 5 times. Now 6 into 7. What it mean? 6. We have to add 6. 5, 7 times. How many times? 7 times. Add 7 times. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Now you count how many times it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. 6, 7 times. Okay. If in multiplication is given, then in addition form it is in addition form. If addition form is given, then how to write in multiplication form before we did. So this is the method to do how in multiplication. If in multiplication statement is given, then how to convert, how to write in addition, how to write as addition. Okay, continuous addition. Okay, means repeated addition. Now student, see here, fill in the correct product. Correct product we have to write. So here, so first of all, so all you should by heart 10 tables. So it is very important. So tables are very important. All you should by heart tables. Okay, till 10 tables you must learn and you must by heart. Okay. Now, so in the next page it is given 1 to 10 tables are given in your textbook. So by heart from there. Okay, all 10 tables are given in your textbook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, total 10 tables are given. So from there you by heart your tables. Okay. Here, see children, here some products are given. So we have to write a correct product here. in the given circle. In the given circle, see here, 6 twos are, how to read this? 6 twos are, 6 twos are how much? 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. We have to write 12 here. Okay. Now 2 fives are, 2 fives are how much? 2 fives are 10. This is our 2 table. This is our 6 table. Now here 4. 4 threes are, this is our 4 table. 4 threes are how much? 4 threes are 12. 4 threes also 12. Correct product we have to write here. Okay. Now 3 twos are, how to read? 3 twos are, or otherwise 3 into 2. This is our 3 table. 3 twos are how much? 3 twos are 6. This is our correct product. Okay, how to read? 6 twos are 6 into 2. 6 twos are 12 or 6 into 2 12. 2 fives are 2 into 5. What is our product? 10. 4 threes are 4 into 3. 4 threes are 12. Now 3 twos are 3 into 2. How much? 6. So in this way, so we have to write correct product. For this, you should know the tables first. You should know the tables by heart. 10 tables. Okay. The 10 tables given in your textbook. Okay. The next, before previous page, 1 to 10 tables were given. So you by heart 10 tables. Okay. Okay, children. See here. So these are our word problems. See. So children, see here. A rat have 2 eyes. How many eyes? A rat have 2 eyes. Here see there, a rat has 2 eyes. Every rat having 2 eyes. How many? 2 eyes. How many eyes does 4 rats have? Total how many rats are there? See there. See here, one rat having 2 eyes. One rat having 2 eyes. Total how many rats are there in the picture? Total 4 rats are there. So 2, count all eyes. How many eyes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Every rat having 2 eyes. How many eyes? 2 eyes. Then how many rats we have? 4 rats. Total how many eyes they have? Total 4 rats. How many rats we have? 4 rats. Total 4 rats. How many eyes they have together? Okay. Here total how many eyes a rat has? 2. So we have to write that 2 here. Okay. Then after that, how many rats are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rats are there. Then multiply. This is multiplication sign. So why we are multiplying? So this is continuous, means repeated addition. Why repeated addition? Same number of eyes they have. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. They have equal number of eyes. First rat, second rat, third rat, fourth rat. All these 4 rats have 2, 2, 2, 2 eyes. So it means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So this is continuous addition, means repeated addition. When repeated addition is there, then so we can apply multiplication. We can apply multiplication. Then how to apply multiplication? First, how many eyes every rat has? 2 eyes. 2 eyes every rat has. That 2 we have to take here. Then total how many rats we have in the picture? Total 4 rats. That 4 we have to write here. 4 twos are total how many eyes? Total 8 eyes. Total 8 eyes they have. Total 8 eyes. How many rats? 4 rats have 8 eyes. Okay. Yes. Now children, see here. Here one scooty has 2 wheels. How many wheels? 2 wheels. Find the total number of wheels of 8 scooties. See here in the picture, how many scooties were there? Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 scooties were there. How many scooties were there? 8 scooties. See once again, in one scooty has 2 wheels. How many wheels? 2 wheels. 1, 2. total how many scooties were there? 8. Count all number of wheels there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total how many wheels are there? 16 wheels. How many scooties we have? 8 scooties. So first, every scooty has 2 wheels. One scooty has 2 wheels. And how many scooties we have? 8 scooties. Then, so this is a repeated addition, no? 2 wheels, 2 wheels, 2 wheels, 2 wheels, 2 wheels. We have to add 8 times. 8 times 2, the same number. So we have to add 8 times. Why? Because all scooties, they have equal number of wheels. So it is comes under repeated addition. Then repeated addition means we can apply multiplication. So then how? So 2 wheels, one scooty has 2 wheels. Then how many scooties? 8 scooties. Now you multiply 8 twos are 16. Total how many wheels? 16 wheels. Okay, 16 wheels. Total 8 scooties. So see, they have 16 wheels. How many wheels are there total? 16 wheels were there total. 8 scooties have total 16 wheels. If one scooty has 2 wheels, then total 8 scooties have 16 wheels. Okay. Now children, see here. There are 5 fingers in one hand. In one hand, how many fingers were there? 5 fingers. Then in the picture, how many hands were there? 5 hands. 4 hands given. How many hands? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hands were there. So then total how many fingers are there in 4 hands? 4 hands. Now you count number of fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in first hand. Then second hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in second hand. Third hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hands. Now you count all fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Total 20 fingers. How many fingers? Total 20 fingers. Here equal number of fingers there. So how many? Equal number of fingers. So equal number of fingers are there in each hand. Then it is what it is? It is repeated addition. When repeated addition is there, then we can multiply. Then first, how many fingers are there in each hand? 5 fingers. Then total how many hands given? 4 hands. 4 hands here. Total fingers in one hand. How many fingers are there in one hand? That we have to write here. And how many hands given? 4 hands. That we copy here. Then 4 5s are, what is 4 5s answer? 4 5s are 20. Total how many fingers are there? 20 fingers are there. Once you count 20. So in this multiplication, in short, we can find our answer. Okay. Repeated addition, number of fingers are same. So it comes under repeated addition. Whenever repeated addition is there, then we apply multiplication. Okay. 4 5s are 20. Total how many fingers are there? 20 fingers are there in 4 hands. Okay. See children, here a cow has 4 legs. How many legs does 6 cows have? See how many cows there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 cows are there in the picture. How many cows given? 6 cows. How many legs are there? So one cow has 4 legs. Count 1 2 3 4. 4 legs. One cow has how many legs? 4 legs. Then how many cows we have in our picture? 6 cows. Then total how many legs are there here? So 4 4 4 4 4 4 4. Total all 6 cows, they have equal legs. 4 4 4 4 4. It is repeated addition. Why? Because equal number of legs they have. 4 4 4 4. We have to add 6 4 times. 4 6 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many times? 4 we have to add 6 times. So it means 4 is a repeated, comes under repeated addition. When repeated addition means we can apply multiplication. We can apply multiplication. Then apply multiplication. How many legs are there each cow? They have, each cow has 4 legs. Then number of cows 6. 6 4s are 24. Total how many legs? 24 legs. 6 cows have 24 legs. How many legs? 24. Once you count all legs, so you will get 24 only. Okay. So by using multiplication, in short, we can get our answer. How many legs they have? Total 6 cows, they have 24 legs. Okay.